Detect suspicious behavior early when stealth live with a stealth live screen monitoring software. So often when you notice a problem in your company, the damage is already done. Data is copied, client contacts are copied, and so forth and so on. So stealth live monitoring software lets you see suspicious behavior in real time before it escalates. It will show you. I will show you how to spot red flags on the live screen and confirm them with screenshot history. Examples um, um, are I already told you examples. Yeah, if an employee copies client lists, for example, or sends files to his private email, or um, is opening or contacting competitors' tools, or is working privately for someone else. That's also something that happens a lot in architecture companies, for example, where then in during working hours they do not only work for the company but also for someone else, um, self-employed, so to speak. Yeah. So how does it work? To prevent that, the best method is uh, stealth live monitoring software. So you install a piece of software on each of the company's computers or on the computer of a suspicious employee. Yeah? And if you install the software, you will receive this dashboard that you see here. Yeah? But before I continue, if you're allowed to do that, if you're allowed to do that, please make sure or ask your lawyer. Yeah? But I'm talking about the technical possibilities. Yeah, this will be a stealth mode. Nobody will notice anything about any surveillance with the software. So you get access to the dashboard of Wolfeye. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed in case you would want to visit this dashboard and see it by yourself. So you log into the dashboard and we'll see for each of the company's computer the live computer screens, yeah, as if you were sitting in front of it by yourself. Yeah. And here, this is a demo dashboard. That's why you see dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see the live screens. Yeah? And if you wanted to take a closer look at one of the computers, you have these live links here. Live, you read it, right mouse on it, open in a new tab, and it will display on the whole screen the live computer screen of that particular computer. Again, this is a dummy picture because it's the demo dashboard. In reality, you see the live screen. Okay, live screen means it's a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. So you have this time lag of 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Yeah. And yes, so if you would like to try it out, yeah, then come to our website, wolfeye.co. You come to our website, select here your language, or it will be selected automatically. I'm in Germany, that's why it automatically turns into German. And then click here this 14 days free trial. You click it and can book a demo session with me. Yeah? In this demo session, Wolfeye already is installed on my computer, so I will send you the link to my dashboard. So you see in live how it will work if you install it. You don't have to spend time installing it if you don't know how to, if you, so you see my screen here live, you can test it out, see my screen. And if you like it, we go and I'll show you, I'll help you install it on one or two of your computers. So I will guide you. That will enable you to install it on your remaining computer. You can install it immediately on all computers and test it within a few weeks, so to speak. Yeah, I will guide you through installation on one computer or two, or as many as you like. And this will only take a few instances because the installation process is very, very fast. So come to our website, wolfeye.co. Here you see the website, wolfeye.co. Set a date, set a time, enter your name, your email, maybe your phone, your WhatsApp number, because I probably will send you the Google Meet link. We will do it on Google Meet to your WhatsApp number, and book a demo right now. I'm happy to get to know you. We see us in the next video.